Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hello everyone, I welcome you all back to my channel. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. How are you all doing, guys? It's me, your girl, Beauty Home. So guys, in today's video I want to show you all how I create this look you are seeing in this video. And guys, if you want to know how I create this orange look, watch in the end. And please, if you are coming across this video, this channel for your first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will appreciate you. And for the returning subscribers, I say God will bless you all. I really appreciate you all. So guys, please, without wasting much of your time, let's jump into it. Okay guys, bye bye. I see you all later. Bye. Love you.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye. Do you love again? Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you. 다시 못 볼 것 같아. 내게 다가와줘, 어서 내게 키스를 해줘. 오늘 이 밤이 내게 너무 소중해. 내게 장난치지 마, 다가와 my baby girl. I need you girl, stay here lady. I need you girl, save me lady. I need you girl, stay here lady. I need you girl, save me lady. I need you girl, baby come on baby, just to my world, talking to my eyes alone. I need you girl, stay here lady. I need you girl. 내게 다가와줘 어서 내게 키스를 해줘 오늘 이 밤이 내게 너무 소중해 내게 장난치지 마 다가와 my baby girl I need you girl stay here lady I need you girl save me lady I need you girl stay here lady I need you girl save me lady I need you girl baby come on baby just to my world talking to my eyes alone I need you girl stay here lady I need you girl save me lady I need you girl come on baby let's go party time to let it go you are my only you girl baby girl 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 Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye. You do your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on, baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you.
This is the finished look of the video. I love this makeup, this orange look. I'm just feeling myself, guys. I just love the color. So guys, I hope to see you all in my next one. Please guys, don't forget to leave me a sweet comment, thumbs up this video and share to friends, and as you do, God will bless you. I hope to see you all in my next one, guys. Bye bye everyone. I love you all. Please thumbs up this video, I beg of you. Help a sister, share my video, and as you do, God will bless you. Bye bye everyone. Bye.